Hello, if you are using Huawei FreeBuds SE free and one of your earbuds stops playing sound or for example stop charging, let me show you how you can try to fix this. So first of all, I can highly recommend you to input left and the right earbud inside the charging case, and you have to be sure that you charge this charging case for at least 5 minutes. And when you do this, we have to perform this simple reset. So we have to rotate our charging case and click and hold this small button. Be sure that you keep earbuds inside and that you open this cover. Now when you take a look on this small indicator, it will perform our reset. So wait. Now when it turns red, keep holding the button all the time. And when it turns white, now we can release. All you have to do right now is just to connect this charging case and charge your earbuds with charging case for another 5 minutes. Then you can just unplug them. Also, we can unpair them from the Bluetooth if you are connected. Then open this case and connect them one more time. And right now you can tell me if it works. So please leave a like and a comment below.